Craving delicious restaurant-style fried rice. Today I'll show you how to make the perfect fried rice at home in just minutes. Here's what you'll need to create a delicious and easy fried rice dish that's perfect for any meal of the day. Start with 2 cups of day-old cooked rice. Using rice that's been refrigerated overnight helps it to fry up nicely without becoming mushy. Next, you'll need 2 eggs, beaten until smooth. These will add a wonderful texture and protein to your dish. Then prepare half a cup of diced carrots. The carrots add a sweet crunch and vibrant color. You'll also need half a cup of peas. Whether you use fresh or frozen, peas bring a pop of color and a touch of sweetness. Half a cup of diced onion is essential for that aromatic base flavor. Make sure to dice them finely so they cook evenly. For seasoning, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This will give your fried rice that classic savory taste. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil will add a rich, nutty flavor that's characteristic of many Asian dishes. Don't forget half a teaspoon of minced garlic. Garlic adds a wonderful depth of flavor and aroma. Finally, chop some green onions to use as a garnish. They add a fresh, sharp flavor and a beautiful finishing touch to your dish. Let's get started. First, heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan, scramble the eggs, and set them aside. Next, add a little more oil and sauté onions, carrots, peas, and garlic for about 2 minutes until they soften. Now add your cooked rice and break up any clumps. Stir-fry everything together for a few minutes. Time to add the magic: soy sauce and sesame oil. These 2 ingredients are essential for bringing out the rich, savory flavors in your dish. Drizzle the soy sauce generously over the rice, letting it seep into every grain. Next, pour in the aromatic sesame oil, which adds a nutty depth to the flavor profile. Stir well so every grain of rice gets coated in that delicious flavor. Make sure to mix thoroughly, ensuring that the seasoning is evenly distributed. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect mouth-watering taste in every bite. Now toss in your scrambled eggs and mix everything together. Just a few more minutes and it's done. Serve it hot, garnish with fresh green onions, and enjoy your homemade fried rice. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy recipes. We have a lot more delicious and simple dishes coming your way, perfect for any occasion. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite fried rice topping? Is it something classic like egg or chicken? Or do you have a unique twist that you love to add? Your feedback helps us create content that you enjoy. Also, share this video with your friends and family who love cooking. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures and tips to make your kitchen experience even better. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!